Want to know the secret to keeping your confetti suspended in resin so it doesn't all sink to the bottom? I'm sharing that trick today, plus how to create the cutest little face you've ever seen. Welcome to Happy Place Creations by Connie, where the magic happens. First up, I've picked out the most adorable oval-shaped ornament mold for today's super fun project. Then comes the really exciting part, choosing which dazzling, sparkly glitters to play with. I went with gorgeous pink, pretty purple, and a whimsical confetti color mix. How fun is that? Next, it's time to whip up some Let's Resin Epoxy. Woohoo! Now here's the important part, friends. Make sure you follow those directions on the bottle carefully. I promise it's worth it. I always mix mine for a good 4 to 5 minutes to get it just perfect. Then, ta-da! I pop it into my vacuum chamber for the most beautifully bubble-free pour you've ever seen. Now that I've mixed our sparkly confetti into our Let's Resin Epoxy mixture, here comes a super cool trick. I'm going to add just a teensy bit of glue. And here's why this is so clever. It keeps our beautiful confetti suspended throughout the piece so it doesn't all sink to the bottom. You only need about 1 tiny drop per ounce, easy peasy, and you'll want to mix this in rather quickly. Then, whoosh, get it poured right into your mold. But wait, don't forget the fun prep step. Make sure to spray your mold with isopropyl alcohol first. I absolutely love to spray my mold and then rub it all around with my finger, making sure that magical alcohol gets into every little corner. That way we have a double layer of bubble popping magic working for us. How awesome is that? Ooh, this next step is where the real fun begins. I'm going to mix up my glittery goodness, that gorgeous pink and pretty purple. And then I get to play with some vibrant alcohol ink in all the rainbow colors. I'll be blending these beauties with some UV resin by Let's Resin, and here's the exciting part. It's the high viscosity type, which means I have so much more control over exactly where I place it. How cool is that? I'm going to use this magical mixture to create a stunning border all around the edges, like framing a masterpiece. And then, wait for it, I'm also going to use this to create the adorable little mouth for our facial feature. This is going to look absolutely amazing. Now that we have all our gorgeous colors mixed up and ready to go, it's time for the really exciting part, filling the sides of our mold. I'm going to prop up our silicone mold nice and steady, and I'll begin with one side, since I need to tilt our mold at just the right angle. So fun! I'm going to pour that beautiful pink right down the middle of our edge, and then I get to use my handy silicone tip tool to start pulling our pretty pink UV resin up to the edges, filling in the side perfectly. Then comes the magic moment. I'm going to use my quick UV light to give it a temporary seal at the top, just to hold everything in place while I work on the other sides. Once all the sides are done, I'll create the adorable little mouth with our gorgeous purple UV resin. How cute is that? Next, I'll use the vibrant rainbow-colored resin to fill in the rest, and then, ta-da! I'll add in those sparkly gold-shaped eyes I made previously. The final step is putting it all under the large UV light by Let's Resin for a full 5 minutes, and then everything will be beautifully done. Be sure to stay for pictures of our finished masterpiece, and thank you so much for joining me today at Happy Place Creations. You're the best!
Thanks for watching. I loved having you here today. If you'd like to see some of the items I make in my videos and more, you can find them in my eBay store. The link is conveniently located right down below in the description box. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. That's how my channel grows. Most of all, please share your own ideas and projects in the YouTube Community tab and on my Facebook page, Happy Place Creations by Connie, so we can all enjoy your creations together. I can't wait to see what you've been working on. I'll see you again soon, right here on the same crafty channel, at the same crafty time. Happy creating!